Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Here you see them custom seats, but we're going to start up our 78 Bronco. This Bronco is sitting for a while. We bought it non-running. We got it running and runs and drives. I would probably gonna need some motor work, but we'll see what works and what doesn't. The indicators, at least on the blinkers, don't work. The wipers work. Blower motor doesn't work. Oh my god, the radio makes noise. I don't know if it picks up station, but it makes rear window actually went down. Let's see if it goes up. No. That's kind of a big thing on these things. We'll turn the lights on and take a look at the rest of that stuff. See if the horn works. No horn. Power steering on this truck. It's a manual steering truck. Steering station runs all rough, but tune up. It's been sitting, it's got old gas in the seat. So just driving it's something to take care of it. The master stuff. That lights work. So definitely hear a little mess to it. And I know it needs some more brake work. It's got master cylinder, but the brakes are kind of weak in it. So, and no back seat currently. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.